To transfer money from Zelle to Cash App, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the Zelle and Cash App accounts set up and linked to your bank account. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account, while Cash App is a mobile payment service that also allows you to send and receive money. Start by opening the Zelle app and selecting the option to send money. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose the recipient, which in this case will be yourself. As you are transferring the money to your own Cash App account, you will need to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Cash App account. Once you have initiated the transfer, the money will be sent to your linked bank account. This may take a few minutes to process, depending on your bank. Next, open the Cash App and select the option to add cash. Choose the linked bank account that you just sent the money to and select the option to add the entire balance or a specific amount. Confirm the transfer and the money will be added to your Cash App account. You can then use the money in your Cash App account to send to others, pay bills, or withdraw it to your bank account or debit card. It is essential to note that there may be some fees associated with transferring money from Zelle to Cash App, depending on the bank and the payment services. It is also crucial to ensure that your accounts are linked correctly and that you are using the correct email address or phone number to avoid any issues with the transfer. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Zelle to Cash App and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that both services offer.